Hello and welcome to Vitush Academy. This time I'll be showing you how to make a table of contents in Word that is actually updating itself. So long story short, let's start creating the content. I have prepared some text from my website. These are old articles. As you see, this is from 2020. I have even older ones. This is from 2014, long time ago. This is a book review. The next one that is going to be from 2017, and the last one, something to do with PHP actually, is from 2015. So after quickly writing it, I'm going to start doing the stuff pretty much. First, let's write a heading and format it here, heading, and it would be named create table of contents automatically in MS Word. That's the name. And then this would be our title. Then we would have heading 1 and we would have heading 2. Yeah, so what we do next is we click this twice, and we go everywhere just to make it okay. Then we click escape, and then this one we click twice again, and we go like this, like that, and like that. What else do we need? Okay, formatting a bit our think I'll insert here a page break. Not everything is a page break. This one will be on the same one, and okay, this one I'll make it like that just for the sake. And now the interesting part, how do we create that automated table of contents? Well, it is actually quite easy. We go to references, table of contents, but before that let's add a cover sheet. So insert cover sheet and simply select one of these. I'll select that one. Making a beautiful Word file. Well, I can pretty much take this one here, and I can see document subtitle. It will be YouTube video from vitushacademy.com school. Vitush Academy course title MS Word. Okay, now the interesting part, see the small, let's put a page break here, and we have a whole empty page. The whole empty page, what we can do here is we're going to create the content, the table of contents automatically. So it is references, table of contents, and we have two options, automatic table 1, automatic table 2. I'm going to go with automatic table 1, and this is it. We have the 4 titles that I had selected as headings, and then we have the subheadings here. What is actually more interesting is if we change something here. For example, we decide that VBA would be on its own again here, and the subtitle is like that. For example, posted today. VBA is a fancy language. I can go here, and in my table of content I wouldn't see it, but if I click on update table, update entire table, I'll see it. VBA is a fancy language. This should not be showing up. What does it mean? It means I have to go here, that way, and I can click again, update field, entire table. It is showing up. That's strange. Let's try again, update entire table, and this is what happens sometimes. Okay, so we click this. Okay, it's heading. This one is heading 2, and this one is actually, it is heading, that's why it is showing up, but I need normal, so this is how it goes. Normal is normal. Maybe it's a fancy language. Yeah. So now it should not be showed. You see, that's it. And if I go to book review here, for example, and I write book review again, for example, here, and I want to make sure that here I'm getting book review again, I should click on update entire table, and the word again is showing up. So this is the video. I really hope you liked it. Enjoy the rest of your day or night, and let me know whether you want to see more word videos like this, or I should stick to the Python VBA and linear algebra videos that I have already created in my channel. Thanks, and